Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Talk with your channel name. Today, we're diving into the latest tech that promises to take your home security up a notch. The all-new QUBO Smart Door Lock Essential 2025 edition. So, is it worth your money? Let's break it down. First things first, let's get into the unboxing. Here's what you get inside the sleek package. The lock unit with a sturdy copper finish, an installation kit complete with screws and manuals, 2 RFID cards and emergency keys. The build quality feels premium with its stainless steel body and smooth fingerprint scanner. The design? Modern and sleek. Now let's talk about the key features. This lock can be unlocked in 6 different ways. Yes, 6. 1. Fingerprint fast and reliable recognition. 1. Mobile app, control it remotely using the QUBO app. 1. OTP, perfect for guest access. 1. PIN code, a solid backup option. 1. RFID card, very user-friendly for elderly users. 1. Mechanical key for those rare emergencies. And if you think that's all, you're wrong. It also has an auto-lock feature. Wrong password comes with a 2-year warranty. Next up, installation and setup. The best part, installation is completely free if you purchase the Amazon Karta. It took just 30 minutes to install on it. While you can DIY, I'd recommend going with professional experience. Just make sure your door thickness is more than 3 centimeters, perfect for wooden doors. So, how does it perform in the real world? I've got to say, it's super convenient for daily use. The fingerprint sensor scans in just 1 second. You can also grant family members access via the app. As for battery life, it runs on 4 AA batteries that last more than 12 months. I'd rate it 4.5 out of 5. One final tip. If you're after more advanced features like Wi-Fi and the built-in camera, check out QUBO's app. That's it for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And let me know in the comments. Would you buy the QUBO Smart Door Lock Essential? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.